Hey there, this is Gia. In this video, I'll quickly demo how we're going to use the process builder to automatically create a task when our opportunity reaches closed won stage. Here we are on a random opportunity record and it's currently on our in a qualification stage. If we change it to a closed won stage, the purpose is to is changing of the stage to course one to automatically trigger creating a task with the name of create draft contract under the activity timeline. If we go under the task tab and simply create a new task, we'll see that we need to actually fill out a couple of important fields assigned to status, subject, the priority, the due date, the related to those are all fields that have to be filled out in order to create a new task. And we're going to simply replicate those fields in our process builder. Next, we're going to move via setup process builder new to create a new process. Create a new process builder. There are three essential elements. The trigger, which is simply which object kicked off the process. The criteria is under which specific conditions should the rule fire, and the action is what should the process builder do. Our trigger is in this case the opportunity object, and we're going to start the process when the record has been created or edited. Next, we're going to specify our criteria. Is the opportunity closed won? The criteria for executing the actions is when the conditions are met, and the conditions are when the opportunity stage equals closed won, when our opportunity reaches closed won stage, and when the opportunity stage has changed equals to true. And the conditions are when all conditions are met. Lastly, we're going to address our immediate action. And the action is to create a record on the task object with the record type of task. And the field values will simply replicate the fields which we identified as important in our task object when we want to create a new task. The due date only, we're going to use a formula a formula field, and I have used the today date plus 7. The description is to simply create a draft contract when opportunity is closed won. The assigned to ID is our opportunity owner ID. We used assigned to ID for person. Priority is simply normal. The status is not started. The subject is create a draft contract, and related to ID is for non-person, and we're going to use our opportunity ID. Lastly, we're going to save our process builder, and we're going to activate it. Lastly, we're going to go back to our sample record, and we're going to change the opportunity stage to closed won. I'm going to select closed won stage, save, and we should see our task being created. 1 second. Here is the task: create draft contract.